welcome you aboard our 2024 Aquila 42. My name's Kit Beaudry, and I hope you enjoy this video. We'll start at the transom of the Aquila 42. And the first thing you will notice is up above our davit system that comes down and allows us to put a tender on board along this 21-foot wide beam. And here we are in the cockpit of the Aquila 42. First thing I would say is spacious. Lots of room for all of your guests, lots of shade, an ample amount of storage throughout the boat, entryways from both port and starboard side. The Aquila 42 is powered by twin D4 300 horsepower Volvo engines with a cruise speed of about 12 knots. When you step inside the Aquila 42, this luxurious cabin, off to port, you will see your galley area. Off to starboard, you have your dinette, lots of U-shaped seating here, drops down, makes a bed. And then you have your first cabin off to starboard side. And then your master cabin off to the port side. And on this particular one, you do have a small berth forward along with a wine chiller and a washer dryer. One of the great things about the Aquila 42 is having a lower helm. Everything you have down low, you also have up top. We'll see you soon. Here we are in the bridge of the Aquila 42. The first thing you'll notice is ample seating for all of your guests. This is the place to be while underway. With protection, front and side curtains, and also a grill, you can entertain as well. And here we are at the helm in the bridge of the Aquila 42. Like I said, down below you have a station, and up top you have a station. So on those beautiful summer days, you want to run it up top, or those cold winter afternoons, you want to go down low. What better way to spend your afternoons watching the sunset here on the bow of your Aquila 42 with our sun loungers in place and lots of walking around area? This is the place to be. On this particular Aquila 42, we have optioned it with your starboard side storage in lieu of your forward starboard side head. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video with us aboard the Aquila 42. We hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe for more video and content.